Okay, now I will tell you about the units of concentration. If you want to express the concentration of a solution, then you have to use some units. And what are the units to express the concentration of a solution? Actually, there are a number of units. You can express the concentration by using percentage. You can express the concentration of a solution by using molarity. You can express the concentration of a solution by using molality unit. You can express the concentration of a solution by using mole fraction, parts per million. Number of units are present to express the concentration of a solution. So I will give you one by one. Number one, I will give you percentage strength. Percentage strength. I mean, by using percentage, you can express the concentration of a solution. Suppose you have prepared a solution that is 10% solution. You have prepared a solution that is 20% solution. So by using the percentage, you can express the concentration of a solution. So what is percentage strength? Actually, it is the amount of solute present per 100 of the solution. It is the amount of solute present per 100 of the solution. As you know, percentage is also always measured in 100. Na? That's why it is the amount of solute present per 100 of the solution. I mean, in 100 solution, how much amount of solute is present? That is called percentage. Now, there are three types of percentage. One is called W by W. One is called W by V %. And one is called V by V %. There are three types of percentages. W by W means weight by weight. I mean mass by mass. Mass by mass %. This is mass by volume %. And this is volume by volume %. What is the difference between these three? Suppose a solution is given 10% W by W. What does it mean? W by W means mass by mass. So 10% W by W means when you express the amount of solute, when you express the amount of solution, both you have to express in terms of mass. I mean in terms of gram or in terms of kg, you have to express the amount. So 10% W by W means 10 gram of solute. I express gram because you have to consider mass. 10 gram of solute is present in 100 gram of solution. Both you have to express in gram. That is why it is called W by W. I mean, when you measure the solute in gram, when you measure the solvent in gram, then you can apply W by W concept. 10% W by W means 10 gram of solute is present in 100 gram of solution. Like 20% W by W means 20 gram of solute is present in 100 gram of solution, like this. Similarly, 10% W by V means, W means mass, V means volume. So solute you have to express in terms of mass, solution you have to express in terms of volume. So 10% W by V means 10 gram of solute you have to express in terms of mass is present in 100 ml of solution, 100 milliliter of solution. One I have expressed in mass, another I have expressed in volume, 100 ml. Similarly, 10% V by V means both you have to express in volume. I mean 10 ml of solute is present in 100 ml of solution. So here both express in volume, 10 ml, 100 ml. I mean, if the solute and solvent both are liquid, for example, alcohol you dissolve in water, both are liquid, na, then you can apply V by V concept. Both you can measure in terms of volume. So this is about the percentage strength. Percent means nothing. It is the amount of solute present per 100 of the solution. There are three types of percentage: W by W, W by V, V by V. Mass by mass, mass by volume, and volume by volume. And this is the meaning of that. 10% means 10 gram solute, 20% means 20 gram solute, 30% means 30 gram solute, like that, present in 100. Now, In case of this 10% W by W means 10 gram solute is present in 100 gram of solution. 100 gram solution means it contains both solute and solvent. So amount of solute is 10 gram. So what is the amount of solvent? Amount of solvent should be 90 gram. So 10 gram solute, 90 gram solvent, total will be 100 gram solution. In the last one, 10 ml solute, 100 ml solution. 100 ml solution means solute plus solvent combines to form 100 ml. Since amount of solute is 10 ml, so amount of solvent will be 90 ml. But in this case, 10 gram of solute is present in 100 ml of solution. Here it is difficult to find out the amount of solvent because one is expressed in gram, one is expressed in milliliter. I mean, when your solute is solid, solvent is liquid. To prepare this type of solution, how to find out the amount of solvent? Look this. In laboratory, always you will get this type of one apparatus which is called volumetric flux. I think you have seen this flux. And in this volumetric flux, at the neck of the flux, you will get a mark like this, and up to that mark it contains 100 ml. There are different sizes flux, 100 ml, 500 ml, 1 liter flux you will get. So just to take 100 ml flux. So how to prepare this solution? W by V solution. 10 gram of solute you have to take. So first time you measure 10 gram of solute in balance, and that 10 gram solute you take in your volumetric flux. This is the 10 gram solute. First time you have to take the solute. After that you add the water. I mean, after that you have to add the solvent. First time you add little amount of water, then you shake the flux so that the solid dissolves in water. So like this way you dissolve the solid and you make the volume up to this mark. I mean 10 gram of solute is present in 100 ml of solution, and this is a 10% solution. Like this way you have to prepare the solution. Have you got it? So if your solute is solid, solvent is liquid, always you have to consider a volumetric flux, and in the flux first time you have to take the solute 10 gram or 20 gram what is required. That amount of solute you have to take inside the volumetric flux. After that you have to add water so that the resulting volume of the solution becomes 100 ml. Here you don't know how much amount of water you have added, but the total amount, the total volume of the solution is 100 ml. 10 gram of solute is present in 100 ml of solution, and that is called a 10% solution. So like this way, if your solute is solid, solvent is liquid, to prepare the solution always you have to use this type of volumetric flux. Without volumetric flux you cannot find out the amount of water, amount of solvent, how much amount of solvent you have to take, you cannot find out. So this is about the percentage strength. So just at last I want to ask you one question. 2 gram solute is dissolved in, have you heard the question? 2 gram solute is dissolved in 18 gram of solvent, 18 gram of water. 2 gram of solute is dissolved in 18 gram of water. What is the percentage of the solution? Can you find out and you tell me the answer? 2 gram of solute is dissolved in 18 gram of water. What is the percentage of the solution? You have to find out, and the answer you have to tell me. So thank you for today. This is about the percentage strength. Next time we will do another units. There are a number of units to represent the concentration of a solution. So percentage is one of the unit. By using this 10%, 20%, you can express the concentration of a solution. Thank you so much.